How do you see background running apps on your Android? So there are more ways how you can find it. The easiest one would be just simply click on the multitasking panel in the bottom left like this, and you're going to get the history of apps which you had used before, which isn't necessarily those which are still running in the background, but it's like the history of the open apps. So it gives you a nice breakdown of which apps have been used before. But for some additional information, I think it's best to see the battery situation and usage of your phone. So if you go to the settings and find battery section, you'll be able to browse your data usage. Right. So as you can see, there is all of the information which I can think of. And if I click on view details, I can see exactly which apps are using a lot of battery. And if there is some app which is constantly there, even though you don't even open it, then you know that it is running in the background, right? So for example, some Google Play services or System UI are things which I'm not necessarily clicking on to open, but these are apps running in the background and you can see exactly which they are. So this is how you can kind of manage it and see exactly which things are using up your battery, and then you can perhaps disable them. You also have background usage limits below, and you also have things like sleeping apps and deep sleeping apps, which means that there are apps which will try to lower down the battery by using less the battery and less energy. So that would be about it from me. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.